What's up, guys? It's your boy Dustin with the Lens. We are here on set today with
Chrissy.
and this is her first photo walk and official photo shoot.
Mm-hmm.
That looks great. Oh my goodness. You're like the Egyptian princess.
Great. How was it? How you been vibing?
It was really fun.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know what to expect when I was coming here, you know. But yeah, it was pretty easy going.
Good. Would you come again? Would you come to another
Oh,
one?
absolutely. I'm gonna be at every single one now.
Nice. What was the best part that you've had so far here?
Just like everything overall, just like when they shoot the pictures, and then like my favorite part is looking at them after. It's like, oh my god, that was great. It's like, yeah, let's take some more.
Great. We love the outfits that you had. You had two outfits. You had a white one and you had the streetwear one. Both were dope, amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you for being on time, on theme, and great positive energy.
Thank you. I tried.
So these questions are going to be just for new people. Since you're new, you don't really know anything, so just going to get your honest opinion on it, right? What do you think? What matters more to you? A perfect edit or fast delivery?
A perfect edit.
Perfect edit? Okay. Photographer for bad attitude but great edits? Good attitude but mid edits?
Bad attitude, good edits.
Okay. All right. Female photographer, male photographer?
Female.
Okay. Girl power, I see it. You didn't see her, but she was down there. She was like, yeah. So you've come with a lot of your own poses, and then we just directed and adjusted as need be. That's normally how it's supposed to go. So for any of your future photo shoots that you have, that's how it's supposed to be, right? You're supposed to start off, and then they're going to help you out and keep going. And if it's not happening, then that's a red flag. That's a bad photographer. It's because they got to communicate. A lot of times they don't communicate. You don't know what to do. You just stand there like, well, what do I do?
Like, I'm out of poses.
I'm just there like. But that is all the questions I have for you today. I'm gonna have more questions for you in the next one because you're gonna be more experienced. So
Yeah.
and it's gonna be different photographers. That guy might be there with the white shirt, and she might be at the next one. But I don't know if he's gonna be because he's not local to Baltimore. So.
Okay.
But next one's definitely gonna be a big one. It's gonna be a good one. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, I'm so sorry.
Oh.
What is all of her social media handles will be here so you can book her so that you can have a photo shoot with her, have fun. Deuces.